How to fix this channel can't be display error on Telegram. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So if I go to my Telegram and click on the three bars on the top left corner and go to my settings and go to privacy and security. So once you have entered here, if you are using an older version of the Telegram, let's say you didn't update it from the Play Store, there will be an option to turn off the sensitive content. So right now in the latest update there is no option to remove that. So what you have to do is to simply open up any Chrome browser or Google, and you have to search for Telegram web and simply click on this login and go for the first one, and this will take you to their web version of the Telegram. So you have to go for the start messaging. Now once you are here, make sure to log in from your account with the same account that you want to resolve this issue. So once you have logged into your account, you have to click on the three bars on the top left corner and go for its settings and go for this privacy and security. Once you have entered here, you have to scroll down. So there will be an option to disable the sensitive content, which will be disable filtering. So you have to simply turn that off. But in my country there is no option, so I can turn this off. So that's how basically you can fix can't be displayed in Telegram.